Despite the blue color connotations of its professional-grade tagline, GMC has really offered slightly more sophisticated versions of General Motors pickups and SUVs for years. Certainly GMC's Deanly sub-brand / trim level has taken vehicles into the upscale reaches of its market segments. But, until now, GMC has ceded another niche to Chevy, that being the off-roading arena. Just ahead of this week's New York Auto Show, all of that is set to change. Tonight GMC invited us to New York a bit early, to witness the debut of its 2019 Sierra AT4, an off-road reed version of the popular pickup truck. And with the Sierra comes the news that AT4 will be affixed to every vehicle in the GMC portfolio within 2 years. At face value, the Sierra AT4 does seem to have some rough road credibility. The buff truck gets a 2-inch lift kit with Rancho monotube shocks, riding on either 18 or 20-inch wheels. Mud-ready Goodyear Wrangler Duratec rubber is available on the smaller rolling stock. 4-wheel drive is standard with a 2-speed transfer case and a locking rear differential. Skid plates are also standard equipment. The AT4 will also make use of a multi-mode traction select system, which can alter transmission and throttle mapping along with stability control, as benefits for different surfaces and road conditions. And not only will this Sierra get a multicolor heads-up display that GMC calls a segment first, but that 5x7-inch screen can be used to show vehicle tilt angles front and rear, and side to side. There's also a hill descent system, and while we still have a hard time grasping the real-world practicality of those, the tech always serves as a neat party trick. We expect the first 2019 Sierra AT4s to go on sale this fall, though pricing has yet to be divulged. And, naturally, you should expect to see your first drive review of the new truck, just as soon as we can get our jeans in the seat and hands on the wheel. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.